Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what is arguably one of the best cute Nike backpacks for teen girls. The Nike Elemental Backpack in the pink glaze and white colorway. If you're on the hunt for a stylish, practical, and durable backpack that fits both school essentials and everyday needs, this one definitely deserves your attention. The Nike Elemental Backpack stands out with its clean and modern design that's perfect for teens who want to combine fashion with functionality. The soft pink glaze color adds a youthful and vibrant touch, making it a great accessory for any outfit. But it's not just about looks. This backpack is crafted from sturdy canvas fabric, which means it can handle daily wear and tear while maintaining its shape and appearance. One of the key highlights of this backpack is its spaciousness. It features a large main compartment with double zippers, allowing easy access to books, notebooks, or even a small laptop or tablet. There's also a sizable front pocket designed for quick grab items like your phone, keys, or wallet, which helps keep things organized and within reach. On the side, you'll find a large pocket specially designed to hold a water bottle, keeping you hydrated on the go without having to dig through your bag. Comfort is a major focus here, too. The adjustable padded straps are designed to fit comfortably on your shoulders, even when the backpack is loaded. They provide support without digging in, which is crucial for teens carrying heavy school supplies or sports gear. Additionally, there's a hollow loop on top for a quick carry option, whether you're grabbing it from a locker or hanging it up at home. What's interesting about this backpack is that it comes with a large pencil case connected securely by a clip. This handy feature keeps your pens, pencils, and small accessories all in one place, reducing clutter inside the main compartments. The combination of multiple zippered pockets and thoughtful design makes this backpack very user-friendly and perfect for keeping everything neat. In terms of size, the Nike Elemental Backpack measures approximately 6 by 12 by 19 inches and weighs just under 12 ounces, striking a great balance between capacity and portability. It's lightweight enough to carry all day without strain but roomy enough to hold everything a teen might need for school, sports, or casual outings. The backpack is easy to care for as well, hand wash only, helping to maintain its bright pink glaze color and clean white accents. This makes it durable not just in construction but also in appearance over time. To sum up, the Nike Elemental Backpack is a fantastic choice for teen girls looking for a cute, functional, and reliable backpack. It merges Nike's signature quality with a youthful design that stands out. Whether rushing between classes, heading to a friend's house, or going out for the day, this backpack covers all bases with style and convenience. If you're looking for a backpack that is practical, durable, and undeniably cute, the Nike Elemental Backpack in pink glaze and white should definitely be on your shortlist. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product reviews and insights. See you next time.